product really worth the money? Hi everybody, I'm Bassocantor. Stay tuned, let's check it out. Well, one of the first things you need to do is get this compartment out and fill it up with water and concentrated cleaning solution. One side for water, one side for the cleaning solution. Really simple. For washing your carpet, of course you want this on wash, and they recommend going over it later with rinse to get all the solution out of the carpet. Well, this is embarrassing. Yes, this is our carpet, needs lots of cleaning. I thought the rollers would be these gigantic things under the machine. Oh, look at these cute little guys. They're so little. Guess what? When you're done, you need to get that dirty water and dump it down the sink. It's pretty easy to remove the tank, as you see here. No problem. Check out all that dirt. That obviously is not from my carpet, it's from somebody else's. If you'd like to clean the stairs, you need to attach the hose. Here's the big section right here. Push in and turn clockwise a little. The little hose provides the cleaning solution to the hose. Very simple. It's also simple to attach the brush attachment to the hose. And underneath you can see where it's going to spray the cleaning solution. It's like a little trigger there. So overall, I really like this machine. I especially like the no mixing compartment where you can just add the water and the solution separately. No mixing. It was a little tough to use on stairs, but guess what? Carpet cleaning is a messy, dirty business. In Dublin, California, I'm Bassocantor. Thanks for watching, everybody.